SEO, what is it and why is it the cornerstone of digital marketing? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing a website or web page to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine result pages, SERPs. The ultimate goal of SEO is to attract organic, non-paid traffic from search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo and increase the website's chances of being discovered by users looking for relevant information or products. The process of SEO involves various strategies and techniques to make a website more appealing to search engines, thus improving its chances of ranking higher in search results for specific keywords or phrases. Here's an overview of the key aspects of SEO. On-page SEO. On-page SEO, also known as on-site SEO, refers to the optimization of elements within a website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine result pages, SERPs. These optimizations are done directly on the website itself, and they play a crucial role in helping search engines understand the content and relevance of web pages. Here's a detailed explanation of the key aspects of on-page SEO. Keyword research. The first step in on-page SEO is conducting thorough keyword research. This involves identifying relevant keywords or phrases that your target audience is likely to use when searching for products, services, or information related to your website's content. Choose keywords that have a good search volume and align with the content you offer. Content optimization. Content is the foundation of any website, and optimizing it for both users and search engines is crucial. Ensure that your content is high quality, valuable, and relevant to your target audience. Include the chosen keywords naturally throughout the content to signal to search engines what the page is about. Title tags. Each web page should have a unique and descriptive title tag that summarizes the content's topic. Place the primary keyword closer to the beginning of the title tag to increase its relevance to search engines and users. Keep the title tag within the recommended character limit, usually around 50-60 characters, to avoid truncation in search results. Meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are brief summaries of a web page's content that appear below the title tag in search results. Craft compelling and concise meta descriptions that include the primary keyword and encourage users to click through to your website. Aim for a character limit of around 150,160 characters. Headers, H1, H2, etc. Organize your content using headers, H1 for the main title, H2 for subheadings, and so on. Headers help to structure your content and make it more readable for users. Include relevant keywords in headers to reinforce the page's main topic. URL structure. Create user-friendly URLs that are descriptive and include relevant keywords. Short and meaningful URLs are preferred by both users and search engines. Avoid using complex strings of numbers or special characters in URLs. Image optimization. Optimize images on your website by using descriptive file names and alt text. Alt text provides alternative text descriptions for images, making them accessible to visually impaired users and search engines. Include relevant keywords in alt text when appropriate. Internal linking. Establish a strong internal linking structure by linking to other relevant pages within your website. Internal links help search engines discover and understand the hierarchy and relationships between different pages on your site. They also keep users engaged by guiding them to related content. User experience. Focus on providing an excellent user experience on your website. Ensure that your site is mobile-friendly and loads quickly on all devices. Optimize for readability by using legible fonts, appropriate font sizes, and sufficient line spacing. Schema markup. Implementing schema markup, structured data, helps search engines understand the context and meaning of your content. Schema markup can enhance search results with rich snippets, such as star ratings, reviews, and other additional information. By optimizing these on-page elements, your website becomes more search engine friendly and user-friendly, improving its chances of ranking higher in SERPs for relevant keywords. On-page SEO lays the foundation for a successful digital marketing strategy and complements other SEO and marketing efforts. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO refers to the activities and strategies implemented outside of your website to improve its visibility, authority, and reputation on the internet. Unlike on-page SEO, which focuses on optimizing elements within your website, off-page SEO is about building external signals that demonstrate your website's credibility and popularity to search engines. These signals help search engines understand the relevance and importance of your website, ultimately influencing its ranking in search results. Here's an explanation of key aspects of off-page SEO. Link building. One of the most critical aspects of off-page SEO is link building. It involves acquiring backlinks from other reputable and relevant websites to your own. Backlinks act as votes of confidence from other sites, indicating that your content is valuable and trustworthy. However, not all backlinks are created equal. Quality and relevance matter. Aim for natural and diverse links from authoritative sources. Guest blogging. Writing and publishing guest posts on other blogs or websites within your industry can be an effective way to build backlinks and establish your authority. When contributing guest posts, focus on providing valuable content that genuinely helps the target audience. Social media engagement. Active participation and engagement on social media platforms can enhance your website's visibility and attract more traffic. Share your content on social media channels and encourage users to share it as well. Social signals, such as likes, shares, and comments, can indirectly influence your website's search engine rankings. Influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers or industry experts can help promote your content to a broader audience. When influencers share or link to your content, it can generate more visibility and credibility for your website. Brand mentions. Even without direct backlinks, brand mentions, citations, across the web can positively impact your website's reputation. Search engines may consider these mentions as signals of authority and relevance. Online reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and testimonials on review sites and business directories. Positive reviews can improve your online reputation and potentially influence search engine rankings. Social bookmarking. Submitting your content to social bookmarking sites can increase its visibility and potentially attract more traffic. However, avoid spammy or excessive bookmarking, as it may have a negative impact. Local SEO. For businesses targeting a specific geographic location, optimizing for local SEO is crucial. This includes creating and optimizing a Google My Business listing and getting listed in local business directories. Content marketing. Creating high-quality, shareable, and valuable content can naturally attract backlinks and social shares. Focus on producing content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Online PR and brand awareness. Building a strong online presence through public relations efforts and brand awareness campaigns can help your website gain more exposure and recognition. Remember that off-page SEO efforts should always align with ethical and best practices guidelines set by search engines. Focus on building a natural and organic backlink profile and providing value to your audience, as these efforts will lead to long-term benefits for your website's visibility and reputation.